little friends! Today we are going on an adventure to learn about different shapes. Are you ready? Let's go! Look, here comes a circle. Can you say circle? Good! Now can you guess something that can be round as our circle? Here comes a donut. The donut is round just like our round circle. Here comes a square. Can you say square? Good job! Now can you guess an object or something that can be square? Here's a window. The window is square, just like our square. Now here comes a triangle. Can you say triangle? Now can you guess something with the same shape as our triangle? The pizza slice. The pizza slice is in triangle shape just like our triangle. Now here is a rectangle. Can you say rectangle? Great job! Now can you guess something that can be rectangle? The chocolate bar is the same shape as our rectangle. Here's a star. Can you say star? Good job! Now can you guess something that can be with the same shape of our star? The starfish. The starfish is with the same shape of our star. Here comes a heart. Can you say heart? Great job! Now can you guess something that matches the shape of our heart? Heart cookies! The heart cookies are like same shape of our heart. Next shape is oval. Can you say oval? Good job! Now can you guess something that matches the shape of our oval? Here comes an egg. The egg matches the shape of our oval. Wow, that was fun! If you like our videos, you can subscribe our channel. See you next time!